What is that?
Pick up for Kenny?
We are picking up some pizza and then gonna go eat that with some friends and then going to a Sam Hung concert. Never a good place to be. No. It's been a great day. There we go. Took the skateboards out. The skateboard is still really hurting. It's cracking up near the front. Not looking good. With every bump, it just gets worse and worse and worse. But it's Labor Day weekend, so I'm happy about that. Nice long weekend. Head back on Sunday. Tomorrow, hopefully, have a nice day at the beach. Charleston Beach. Yesterday was completely raining the entire day. I was a little bit frustrated. Still a little bit injured from the skateboard accident. Ooh.